Okay guys, I'm on Lumber Tycoon 2 today. I just started making videos. Holy cow, what happened? These are my axes. I've been working on this for a while. Making a shop, so if you want to donate redwood, you can. I mean lava wood. Basically, I'm just gonna be playing. I need as much money as I can. Hank, go lay down. Okay, sorry, I had to go off for a second. I'm just gonna be selling wood. I can only do this for 15 minutes because I'm on Screencast-O-Matic. There we go. That was the problem.
The pumpkin eater, the pumpkin eater, the pumpkin.
I'm back, you guys. You might hear my German Shepherd in the background. He's the best. His name's Hank. German Shepherd. My computer's very glitchy. Finally found a system that I could do my computer on. Trying to reach 100 subscribers, by the way, guys. I might not be able to post another video because in the winter I usually get a big cough, so maybe not. This is my first video I'm going to be posting because my thing's updating, so I can't post any other videos. I can't edit, but I probably edit from this system. I'm using Screencast-O-Matic again. It's not as good, but it's good. I have 8 minutes left. And don't worry, guys, I'll post again today. Damn, why does it do that? Also, I can't wait for the Fortnite gifting system to come out, guys. I heard it's gonna come around Christmas. Think I'm gonna stop live streaming Fortnite and just live stream Save the World. And I'm wondering how people make these long things out of just wood. They put it in here and it comes out like this exactly. Damn, it's been 9 minutes already. Also, there's a person you should go to. I think it's Mr. Flim Flim. Go friend him and follow him, and go to the YouTube channel called Flamingo. He's pretty good. And go to Dreeks also. He's a myth person if you like myths, Roblox myths, that is. I'm just gonna be doing this. I might sell my account actually, guys. So watch out for that. Not Fortnite, because I'll get banned if I put my Fortnite account up. The reason I don't use my big axes that are really great, that I spent like $30,000 on, the reason I don't use them is because I might get flung and die, and I don't want to respawn, and I might just like die all of a sudden, and my axe drops, and someone picks it up and brings it to their base and blocks me. Bye. Oof. Oof. Yeah, I'm stupid, I know. People start coming over, I'm just gonna blacklist them. Also, go subscribe to Bunny Films. His username is BunnyFilms1. You could join him in private servers. And I was trying to win the thing with the 20,000 candy bars or something like that from him. And make sure PewDiePie wins, not the T-Series. I have a bunch of crap to say. And also, go subscribe to Mr. Beast. Those are really good YouTubers, by the way, that have been explaining. It's 6:13. Few minutes, I'm gonna end the video because I have to. I have no choice. I might not post another today. What is that? What's this? Okay, I'm gonna end the video in a second. I'll tell you. 30 seconds. My username's Rustlord1227. Goodbye. Right, YouTube, goodbye.